Okay, we have about 35 of these cows, a complete dispersal. These cows are all black cows, and there's some red cows. They're all young cows. These cows are coming with their third calf, so they're all 4-year-olds. These calves are going to be a month to a month and a half old. So complete dispersal, 35 cows, and we'll sell these cows at the Olds Auction Mart on the 28th of May at 1 o'clock. It's a complete dispersal of nice, good young cows. Like I say, they're all red cows and black cows, and they're going to be to that 4-year-old cows. So a nice set of young cows, and the cows will be well started. They're going to be a month to a month and a half old. That just gives you kind of an idea what they are. All these cows in small packages, probably 3 to 4 cows. So these are going to be a complete dispersal of 35 red and black cows to be sold at the Auction Mart at Olds on the 28th of May at 1 o'clock. It's a good young set of cows, and like I say, the calves are red Angus calves. They'll be a month to month and a half old. It's a complete dispersal of these cows. Good example of the red cows and some of the black cows. So a good opportunity to buy some good young cows with well-started calves. Olds Auction Mart, May the 28th, 1 o'clock, 35 dispersal cows.